Hey there! Welcome to another video about how to use your organization's free learning management system. Today, we'll learn how you can get your certificate that you've worked so hard for. Once you successfully complete a course or learning path, you can claim or purchase certificates from the Completed Courses and Certificates tab. If your organization has acquired certificates and allocated them to your designated courses, you'll be eligible to receive co-branded certificates for those specific courses. If your organization has not purchased the certificates on your behalf, you can always encourage your manager to make the purchase. You have the option to purchase certificates independently. Click on Claim Certificate, and you'll be directed to the payment process. Simply select your preferred certificate type, fill in your details, and make the payment using your chosen method. Remember, getting your certificate is a great way to validate all the skills you've learned and showcasing them to the world. It's time to get yours!